Hi, this is Dr. Kevin Smith. Thank you very much for checking out this video on the hidden secret number 23 of why you can still have back pain. In this video, the hidden secret number 23 is due to degeneration of the discs. Disc degeneration is a very common problem and it gets progressively worse as we get older. The discs in your spine are mostly made out of water. They have an inner part and an outer part. The inner part is called the nucleus pulposus, and it's very soft, like in the middle of a jelly donut. And the outer part of the disc is called the annulus fibrosus, and that's mostly made out of cartilage. The inner and the outer part of the discs are mostly composed of water, and as we get older, we start to lose that water content in our discs, and subsequently the disc starts to break down. And what you see here with this problem is when I take an x-ray of a patient, you can't see the disc on x-ray because it's mostly water, but what I can see is the approximation of the discs, of the vertebrae and how close they are to each other. If you have a big space between the vertebrae, that indicates that there's a nice healthy disc right there. But if the bones are starting to come together and starting to maybe even touch each other, that's an indication that your discs are wearing out, and that's called disc degeneration, or it's actually called degenerative disc disease. So what causes this? It is caused by a number of factors. One is just getting older. As I said before, as we get older, we lose our water content and our discs start to break down. It's also caused by repetitive stress or repetitive trauma to the spine. So people that played sports or people that were involved in multiple traumas or auto accidents or workers related injuries, or any time you injure your spine, it starts to break the discs down a little at a time, and over time you have a significant problem on your hands. So then the next thing is, what do you do about it? The best thing that you can do for disc degeneration is to try to stop the process from getting worse. Once the discs are worn down, you can't build them back up again. You can't pump that back up. They are what they are. But once you have the problem and you've identified what's going on with it, then you want to try to stop the process, freeze it, arrest it, and stop it from getting worse. And so the way that you do that is by maintaining your spine correctly, by optimizing the movement of your joints and your muscles, followed by realigning the spine, by aligning the posture and aligning your pelvis so that you have normal loading on your spine, normal gravitational loading, so that it's not asymmetrically loaded from left to right or from front to back. And then the next step is to exercise and to do specific exercises to strengthen and stabilize your spine so that it's strong and you're holding your corrective adjustments and you're holding your posture correctly. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. If you have any questions regarding disc degeneration or back pain, please feel free to communicate with me through my website at redapplewellness.net. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell a friend. And again, thank you very much for checking out this video.